everybody. Welcome to Dix Park, Light in the Woods with Sound.
Start by playing some of the loops that are created by my partner in this, Joe Caternicchio, who has made some really incredible sounds for you.
What's up, guys? Hope you guys enjoyed that recap of Light the Woods with Sound that was done by a local artist, and he's like a neon artist. He partnered with different musical artists, and basically he made that whole tree out of like different neon lights, and then with different musical collaborations, each song is coordinating with the lights, and they're like beeping off, flickering on and off, sending like different signals back and forth. And then also, it's really dope because neon artists, apparently they're like really rare, and it's a really hard craft to, bend those things and get the right atoms and elements to go the right way. And that small little area, that's actually in Dorthea Dix Park, which is really dope because it used to be like a mental health institute or Dorthea Dix area, but now the park is just like renovating from Raleigh, and now they're gonna have like different arts and festivals and stuff there. So you got that going on, different stuff in the past, and also in the future, September 15th, is the Dreamville Festival that will also be held at Dorthea Dix area. So that's really dope. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys loved that as much as I did seeing it. It was really dope. It's like a magical tree. I know they kind of played the same loops different times, but to me, I also just enjoyed watching it and being in awe of it. And if you'd like to see more of my content, be sure to check out my Instagram down below. And thanks for watching.